Hello friends, you should have a plan for what you want to create and where you want to locate the area. You must have a plan for water circulation, waterfalls, and electrical if required. You will need to decide if you want to build a pond or a water garden. There are plants and fish that are better for water gardens than ponds. Water gardens come in many shapes and sizes. A pond may be the first thing that comes to mind when one thinks about a water garden, and for good reason. But ponds are not the only option. In fact, ponds are arguably the worst choice, especially in smaller spaces that have no natural sunlight. You can consider still water for your project though. You can add fish to your water garden to make sure no mosquito would nest. The Pacific blue eye is a good choice to gain extra beauty. It will also serve as a mozzie control. If you consider adding fishes to your water garden, you should consider building a hiding place for your fishes as well if you don't want those birds to have a feast on them for a day or so. If still water is not your ideal type, then you can consider moving water. This way, no mosquito can ever nest on your water feature. You can build it using very reasonable solar pump and fountains available in the market. It will help circulate your water. There are various of ideas that can help you with your water garden and features project. You can have a traditional pond or fountains installed in your backyard, but reinventing it is best. There are a lot of water features that you can choose from. You can pick a design that will work best for your garden or lawn. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share.